candidate number 5, Rochelle. Wow. The tantalizing eyes. Ladies and gentlemen, our candidate number 6, Christina. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome on stage candidate number 6, Christina. And now, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome on stage. Give a round of applause for Christina. Palapakan niyo naman si Christina, guys. And now, candidate number 7, Miss Ann Zaira. Thank you so much once again, Miss Ann Zaira. And now, ladies and gentlemen, our candidate number 8, Mary P. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, our candidate number 8, Mary B.
मैं बोलता एक लौंडा भी डाल दो यार, जा तो चले यार, सारी लड़कियां हैं।
And now, ladies and gentlemen, our candidate number 9, Miss Eliza. Ladies and gentlemen, give a round of applause to Miss Eliza. Wow. And now our last but not least, our top 10. Give it a 4, the one and only Miss candidate number 10, Arden. Wala ba tayong palapakan naman para kay Arden? Ladies and gentlemen, give a round of applause for our top 10 for Queen of Winter Night Market. Wala ba tayong palapakan naman, everybody? Judge, please.